Hello, and a big Wildcat welcome to this edition of the Superintendent Spotlight. This message has special meaning for this school year. Like so many educators throughout the nation, I've been impacted and humbled by the past year and a half. Facing a pandemic and a racial reckoning has divided us and challenged us in unimaginable ways. But as I begin my final year as superintendent here at ETHS, I have seen incredible commitment to re-engaging and getting back to human connection. It's not only about recovering from the past year and a half, it's also about showing our resilience. This is a time for celebrating who we are and reimagining what we can be. We're seizing this moment at ETHS with active listening and support, with classrooms and spaces that are collaborative, restorative, and build community. We have kept some of the traditions that we have grown to cherish and our high academic expectations, while also adapting to a new environment. Humanizing education means that we are acknowledging the dignity of every student and every staff member. I see the sparkle in the eyes of our students who want to get the most out of their high school experiences. I hear the teachers and staff members who make a difference in the lives of young people in countless ways. And I am grateful for the ordinary and the everyday things that make up a school day after so much time apart from each other. ETHS is a place where Wildcats can become more of who they are as human beings. It's a place for learning and growth, both in spite of the hardships of the past and because of the challenges that have made us stronger. I have tremendous hope for the future because of our past and our present. I can look back at all the years that have made ETHS such a special place, and I can see that today our care, compassion, and love for each other are woven into everything we do. So, amidst the challenges that lie ahead, just know that we will continue to face them together, one day at a time, one step at a time. It's a great day to be a Wildcat.